Today we're taking an in-depth look at the Adidas Adizero EVO SL, and this is actually inspired by the high-end Adidas Adizero EVO Pro 1. With that being said, this model is actually supposed to express elite performance without the elite price tag. So with that being said, stick around to see if it actually delivers.
If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Right out of the box, the EVO SL impresses with its lightweight feel but also sleek design. And this shoe only weighs at about 7.9 ounces, which clearly means the shoe means business. But how did the shoe feel on foot? Let's go ahead and find out. The EVO SL features a full-length Like Strike Pro midsole, which is a racing foam that provides a remarkable blend of cushioning and energetic responsiveness. And this design elevates the shoe's performance, making it suitable for up-tempo runs and daily training. Curious to see how this competition compares to others in the same market space? Go ahead and stay tuned, because later in the video, I'm gonna go ahead and compare that competition. The engineered mesh upper provides a snug yet breathable fit, and the overlays offer targeted support without adding extra weight, making the shoe feel like an extension of your foot. Now, the rubber outsole is designed for optimal traction, and whether you're going to be navigating wet pavements or dry trails, the EVO SL grips the ground, providing confidence in every single stride. So whether you're going to be riding those wet pavements or even those dry trails, the EVO SL gives you an amazing grip support, which gives you that confidence in every single stride. Now, if you didn't quite get it earlier, this shoe for sure shines on a good run. The ample cushioning absorbs impact, making longer runs feel effortless, and also the responsiveness of the Like Strike Pro foam adds a lively touch when you pick up the pace. Compared to other models like the Adizero Pro EVO 1, this shoe right here actually provides an exceptional amount of comfort and has just the right feel for an accessible price point. This one is actually priced at $150, which delivers exceptional value for both casual runners, marathoners, and basically anyone that decides to put on these pair of shoes. So with that being said, if you have any type of interest in these shoes right here, go ahead and feel free to check out the links I placed in the description, where I give you guys the best of the best deals for these shoes right here. And I'm telling you guys, go ahead and check them out before it's too late. After putting the EVO SL through its paces, it is clear that the Like Strike foam offers exceptional performance. But with that being said, this shoe actually may cause more of those wrinkles because of just like the less rigid type of foam. But with the regular cleaning and proper storage, this can help prolong the shoe's lifespan. When compared to other trainers in this class, the Adidas Adizero EVO SL excels in areas such as responsive cushioning and lightweight design. And actually, while there may be some other trainers that excel in that durability and also that firmness, this shoe stands out for its versatility and comfort. Now, we're gonna go ahead and cover some of the frequently asked questions, and I'm only gonna cover about 3. So with that being said, first question that I do wanna go over for this sneaker is the EVO SL suitable for those long distance runnings? Now, one thing I gotta say is that it absolutely is for sure, and the cushioning provides that comfort for extended runs. As I was saying before, you have an amazing Like Strike foam, and with this shoe being a racing shoe, this is not only a racing shoe that is an elite performance racing shoe, but it gives you a very accessible price point at $150, which is not gonna break the bank as compared to some of those other racing shoes for sure. Second question I have is, how does the sizing run? Now, I got myself a size 11, I believe, and these I definitely recommend trying them before you even go ahead and take the piece of advice I'm about to give you. But I would say that these are true to size, but I feel like it depends for each person. So I definitely always recommend you go ahead and try the shoe on before you go ahead and take any piece of advice that I give you. But yeah, I would definitely say for sure, if you can't go ahead and try the shoe on, I definitely would go ahead and get true to size. The third question that I do want to ask, that a lot of people are asking about these shoes right here, is can you use this shoe for a everyday type of scenario or just like a daily training? Now, these shoes for sure can be used for the daily training scenario. They're versatile enough for it. You got a bunch of different colorways. I believe they have a white. I decided to get the black. But with that being said, this can go with a variety of different outfits right here. And I know for me, for sure, I don't know if you guys know, but I am very simple. So with that being said, this shoe actually provides a lot of simple colorways. So I definitely think that this can be paired up with a lot of outfits as well. So very functional, gives you that comfort, very lightweight. And yeah, basically checks out all the boxes. If you do have any more questions that I can go ahead and answer, or the community can go ahead and answer, go ahead and leave that down below in the comment section. With that being said, to go ahead and conclude this whole video, I do want to say that the Adidas Adizero EVO SL provides a very compelling mix of performance, affordability, but also comfort. So with that being said, this is again priced at $150, and this is basically a solid choice for those runners that seek a very reliable and daily trainer that doesn't break the bank. So with that being said, if you're actually interested in these shoes right here and just want to go ahead and check them out or go ahead and purchase, go ahead and check out the links I provided in the description, and I'll do my best to go ahead and provide you with the best of the best deals. But with that being said, go ahead and don't forget to leave a like, a subscribe, and also go ahead and leave a comment. But with that being said, if you aren't convinced yet and want to see some more sneaker inspo, some more options, some more reviews just like this, go ahead and click the playlist up here, and I'll see you there.